All right, good morning. Now we're in Pomona, second location for this customer. It's a taco place, has a couple of hoods. Take a look inside. This one's real dirty. Clearly, it's overdue for service. Also, we have a lot of oil on the roof here. I can tell if you're trying to deal with it, you need to get a better drip pan situation. This plastic bucket, that's not the answer. And we have another system over here. Very difficult to move around here. You got to step over all this ductwork. Almost no room to move here. This one here, a lot less dirty. So definitely going to put together an estimate on this. Also, this is the makeup air for the kitchen, and we have got 3 coolers here in this little void. 1, 2, 3. Those definitely need to be cleaned out. So I'm going to put together an estimate. This is going to require a full initial cleanup, top to bottom. Deal with that grease that's leaking down there as well. Get that cleaned up. Do preventive maintenance. I would say a cleaning once a quarter would keep things running right, keep the airflow moving in the kitchen. For an exhaust service, we're going to take care of it.